Good morning, children. Our today's topic is basic geometry. In this topic, we will discuss about the basic geometric concept. First one, we will discuss about a point. What is a point? Point gives us an idea of an exact location. Suppose in this blackboard, if we put a dot by using this piece of chalk, then this dot also represents a point. All of you have pencils, pen, needles, the tip of the needle, tip of the pencil, tip of the pen, they also represents a point. So what is a point? Point means it is just a dot which represents or gives an idea of an exact location. किसी location के बारे में हमें अगर कोई idea देता है, that is called a point. And we have to name this point as our English alphabets. We use our English alphabets A, B, C, D like this to name these points. That is point A. If we put another dot here, we will give a name to this dot as B. That is point A, and this is point B. If you put another dot and name as C, then we have 3 points. That is point A, point B, and point C. This provides us, or this gives us an idea of an exact location on this blackboard, or wherever the surface, or whatever the surface it is. Okay, this is about the point. Now, points are of two different types. One is called collinear point, another is called non-collinear point. What is collinear point and what is non-collinear point? When the points can be joined by a straight path, when more than one point or more than 2 points, when more than 2 points, suppose there are 5 points A, B, C, D and E, and these 5 points can be joined by a straight path. Okay, they are present in a single line, in a single straight line. They are called collinear point. These are called collinear points. But if these points like P, then another point is Q, then another point is R, then another point is S, then another point is T. These 5 points cannot be joined by a straight line like this. If we join these 5 points, then we cannot get a straight line. हमें सीधा लाइन नहीं मिलेगा यहाँ पे इनको join करने के लिए. ठीक है? This type of points are called non-collinear points. Non-collinear points. Okay? These are called non-collinear points. Next, another topic we have after point, that is a line. What is a line? What is a line? Line is a straight path. Line is a straight path. Line is a straight path which is made up of millions of collinear points. Millions of collinear points. Okay? Or infinite numbers of, you can say, because we cannot count the number of points in a line, and it has no end point. A line does not have any end point. ये कहाँ से शुरू हुआ है, कहाँ पे खत्म होता है, कोई आइडिया नहीं. That means it has no end point. Hence, a line can be represented as in the figure I have done like this. We will put 2 arrowheads in both the ends because it can extend in both directions endlessly. Okay? So what is a line? Line is a straight path which extends endlessly in both directions. That is called a line. Okay? Another one is ray. Another one is ray. What is a ray? Ray is another straight path which has only one end point. One end point. That means we know the starting point of the ray, but we doesn't know where the ray ends. That means the ray is a straight path that has one end point which extends endlessly only in one direction. सिर्फ एक ही डायरेक्शन में वो एक्सटेंड होता रहता है, उसका एंड पॉइंट नहीं पता, बट वी हैव ओनली वन एंड पॉइंट. कहाँ से शुरू हुआ है उसका पता है, लेकिन कहाँ पर खत्म होगा उसका कोई आइडिया नहीं. जैसे द सन रेज, दे हैव स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम द सन, बट सन से निकल के सन रेज कहाँ तक पहुँचता है उसका कोई आइडिया नहीं, दैट इज कॉल्ड ए रे। थर्ड हो गया रे। उसके बाद अनदर थिंग है लाइन सेगमेंट। व्हाट इज लाइन सेगमेंट? Line segment is a part of a line. Line segment is a part of a straight line or line which has two endpoints. Two endpoints. That means in this case we know from where or what is the starting point and what is the ending point. And this represents a line segment. जैसे suppose ये line segment A से start हो रहा है और B पे end हो रहा है, that has two endpoints, that is called a line segments. Okay, point, that means which gives us an exact idea of a location. If the points are present in the same line, they are called collinear point. If they are not present in the same line, they are called non collinear point. Millions of or infinite number of collinear points, when joined together, they form a straight path which has no end point, is called a line. If we get only one end point and it is extends and it will extend endlessly in only one direction, it is called ray. And if we get two end points, it is called a line segment. Okay, in the next class we will discuss more about this topic.